I believe that regardless of which religion you're from, which community you're from, where you come from, you must feel comfortable in this country. And you should feel comfortable in every corner of this country. That is the constitutional foundation of India. Okay? Second, you are right that Muslims are under attack in India. This is not wrong. But you must also realize that there are many other people also under attack in India. Okay? Please look at what is going on in Manipur today. For 4 months, Manipur has been burning. Right? So you must not think that you are the only people under attack. All sorts of... Yeah, it is happening. Of course it is happening. But it is happening to Muslims, it is happening to other minorities, it is happening to Dalits, it is happening to tribals. Right? Because it is the attitude and the approach of the BJP. And this is something we are committed to fighting. And you're very well aware that myself and the Congress party are at the forefront of this fight. Right? So that is something that is very, very clear. As far as your representation is concerned, and the representation of Ladakh and specifically of Kargil, I am of the opinion that democratic rights, rights of all individuals, rights to elect your own leader, rights to spend the money that is yours are sacrosanct and they should not be attacked and challenged. So on that, we are 100% committed and there is absolutely no confusion. Right? What is going on in India, the purpose of what is going on in India is to basically take away the wealth of the Indian people. Okay, if you see, you're saying to me that there are no jobs in Kargil. Correct. I 100% agree with you. But I walked from Tamil Nadu to Srinagar. Every single youngster in every single state is saying the same thing. They are saying there are no jobs. The single biggest issue in India today is unemployment.